If LDPlayer is not working properly on Windows 11 due to compatibility issues, you're not alone. Yeah, this usually happens because of system settings or feature conflicts, but it's pretty easy to fix. First, right-click the LDPlayer shortcut and open Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab and enable Compatibility mode for Windows 10. This can help fix startup or performance issues. Next, disable Hyper-V, Windows Hypervisor Platform, and Virtual Machine Platform. These features often conflict with LDPlayer on Windows 11. After that, make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. LDPlayer needs Intel VT or AMD to run smoothly, especially on newer systems. You should also update LDPlayer to the latest version and check for Windows updates. I mean, newer updates often fix compatibility problems automatically. Next, install the latest graphics driver for your system. Yeah, outdated drivers can cause crashes, lag, or startup errors in Windows 11. Then try running LDPlayer as administrator. This ensures the emulator has full access to system resources and avoids permission issues. And that's it. One of these steps should fix LDPlayer compatibility issues on Windows 11 and get it running smoothly again.